Ox emoji, Boss grunniens, the mighty yak of the Highlands. Introduction. High among the rugged mountains and windswept plateaus of Central Asia, there lives a powerful and enduring animal, the Boss grunniens, or domestic yak. Revered by Himalayan and Tibetan cultures for centuries, this shaggy beast is more than just livestock. It is a lifeline in some of the world's harshest environments. DNA emoji, scientific classification, common name, domestic yak. Scientific name, Boss grunniens family, Bovidae genus, Boss wild ancestor, Boss mutus, wild yak, Africa emoji, habitat and distribution. Domestic yaks are mainly found in the Tibetan Plateau, parts of Nepal, Bhutan, Mongolia, northern India, and China. They live at altitudes of 3,000 to 5,000 meters, where few other livestock can survive. The temperatures in these regions can plunge below -40 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Fahrenheit, in winter, yet the yak thrives. Brain emoji, physical features. Yaks are built for survival in extreme conditions. Thick, woolly coats protect them from cold winds and snow. Large lungs and heart support breathing in high altitude, low oxygen environments. Curved horns help them forage by breaking through snow to reach vegetation. Adult males can weigh up to 1,000 kilograms, 2,200 pounds, while females are smaller, around 300 to 400 kilograms. Cow emoji, behavior and lifestyle. Yaks are social animals and tend to live in herds. They feed mostly on grasses, shrubs, lichens, mosses. Unlike other cattle, yaks rarely moo. Instead, they make grunting sounds, which is why their scientific name grunniens means the grunter. Hut emoji, importance to humans. For centuries, yaks have been central to Tibetan and Himalayan livelihoods. They provide milk, used for butter, cheese, and yogurt. Wool, used for warm clothing and blankets. Dung, used as fuel for fire transportation. They are used as pack animals for carrying goods across mountains in remote villages. The yak is truly a multi-purpose companion, a provider of nutrition, warmth, mobility, and energy. DNA emoji, domesticated versus wild yaks. Wild yaks, Boss mutus, are larger, darker, and more aggressive. Domestic yaks have been bred for docility and usefulness. However, both types can sometimes interbreed, producing strong hybrids. Warning emoji, conservation status. The domestic yak is not endangered. The wild yak, Boss mutus, however, is listed as vulnerable by the IUCN due to hunting and habitat loss. Efforts are underway in China and Tibet to preserve wild populations and maintain genetic diversity. Compass emoji, interesting facts. Yaks can climb steep, snowy slopes with ease. They have very few sweat glands, which helps retain body heat. Yak racing is a popular sport in some Himalayan festivals. Their milk has higher fat content than that of cows, ideal for energy in the cold. Orange heart emoji, cultural significance. In Tibetan Buddhism, yaks are seen as symbols of strength and endurance. Yak butter is often used in religious rituals, including lamps in temples and monasteries. The yak is more than just a farm animal, it's woven into the very culture, economy, and spirituality of the Highlands. Herb emoji, conclusion. The Boss grunniens stands as a living monument to survival. In regions where no other cattle can exist, the yak not only endures, it thrives. As climate challenges and modernization reshape traditional lifestyles, conserving the legacy and role of this incredible species becomes more important than ever.